Okay, I think the face is pretty much done. I used a black Neocolor II and just very, very lightly went over this shaded side of her face where I thought I needed more darkness. So I think it looks better now with the obvious light and dark sides. And you just want to just very lightly go over the very top of the texture and then just kind of smooth it out a little bit so you don't have any real hard lines. Just use your finger. So I've decided the background around her face, I want to just kind of obscure it a little bit, push it back a little bit. So I'm using, this is always scary, but I'm using Gamblin Transparent White, which is already fairly transparent, but to make it even more so, I'm mixing in some Gamblin solvent. It's a gel solvent, or solvent-free gel, rather. So I have that over here. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the gel and mix it in with the white. This will add some sheen, like where the cold wax and paint is more matte. The gel adds a little bit of sheen, a little more sheen than what you'll get with that, with the paint. But you can always add just a clear coat of cold wax at the end when the gel and the transparent white are completely dry, if you want it to go back to the matte. So I'm going for it. I'm just going to pick up a little bit on the bowl scraper. And just go around her. I have some collage pieces that I thought I might add. Maybe there. So those can just get added with the cold wax. So I'm going to do that now, and then if I feel like it needs more color on top, I can always scrape some cold wax and oil paint on top of it. So let me get a little bit of wax out here. I'm just going to put cold wax where I want to put the paper, which I think I'm going to put it on this side, right about there. So just put some cold wax right out of the jar there. No paint added. And put my paper down. And I can see where I need more. And the paper should go pretty transparent. And let some of those colors shine through. I'll get it stuck down. and then wax on top. And just basically embedding that in wax. You can use a bowl scraper to do this normally, but because I have so much texture, I'm just trying to kind of get the paper to lay down into the texture. Yeah, I like that. I think I'm going to wait until this dries some, and then I will decide if I want to go over it with color or if I want to just keep that color that's behind it, just that much coming through. Just trying to make sure the edges are all down really well. It seems when I'm looking at it through the camera, it seems a little harsh, maybe. Maybe I'll go over it with the white. Let's try a little of that and see. That might be just what it needs. Just to kind of diffuse some of that black. Push it back a little bit. Because I don't want to draw the focus away from her face. I don't want to totally cover up the flower, but I do want to. I'm going to push it to the background a little bit more. Because the wax was so wet, I'm just kind of picking up more than I'm laying down here. And these are just decisions that I make kind of as I get to a certain stage of what does it need now. I'm just adding little bits right here where the shadow would normally be falling on this if it was real. Let's push that back a little bit more. And it would be lighter over here. So we'll just light the background a little bit. Maybe take a little off of the flower over here, just a bit. Okay, I'm going to leave her here. Thank you so much for coming along with me in this two-part, maybe three-part. When I get to editing, we'll see what needs to get chopped and what needs to get sped up, but I'm glad that you were here. I hope you learned something. I hope you'll try this. It's, you know, it takes some getting used to, but it's such a fun medium to work with. If you like doing faces, you know, give it a try. So if you like this series, give this video a thumbs up. Share it out if you know someone else who might enjoy watching. If you're not a subscriber, hit my subscribe button and that bell to be notified when I have new videos going on my channel. And in the meantime, go make some art. Bye.